Hi and thanks for visiting on this video. On this channel you can learn more about specific product before you buy. So don't forget this channel and click subscribe now. If you did, thank you very much. This is last video in 2020 and probably this is last time and our last holidays in 2020. So I decided to leave something memories and shooting about turn on light for TV. This is the set which we're gonna set up today to my TV. I will gonna to show you how to install. I'm gonna to show you how it looks like. I'm gonna to show you everything that is worth it or not to install on your back TV. LED TV lights on your back TV. This colorful lights, it's not only blue guys, gonna to change completely your mood when you're watching your TV. No need to buy new TV, you just need this one. And today I'm going to show you how to install. Today I'm going to show you how it works. Today I'm going to show you everything about this. So just stay with me and let's move on to chapter 1. Yeah. Okay guys, but I'm not gonna be selfish and I'm gonna open this just right now with you. So what is in the box? Let's check what they given to us. It's given to us remote control. This remote control is not necessary, to be honest, because of course I'm going to show you that you can use your mobile app to remote the lights. But okay, they're given to us in the box, so well, special stickers, and I'm gonna to tell you for what is it, for what is this special holders. I ordered very good set to not devastate TV. That's why is this one. What is more, what we have here, it's this what we should have here. This is the whole tape, okay? This is the tape which you're gonna install to your TV. This is USB which you're gonna connect your TV, and this is as well controller, and this is very good controller and processor and everything to let good open the lights to control it. And what else given to us? Whoa. I'm sound like Santa guys. I'm not record materials for during Xmas and I really miss you all. In the set, once again, to not confuse you, you can get small remote control. Yes, you can have your tape, LED light tape, and you can have very important plastic small things. I hope that you can see it. This is special small stickers with plastic that you don't need really devastate it and put a lot of glue around your TV or glue tape around your TV, because this will hold all the tape. Right, so this is what I'm gonna to show you what is in the box, but now I'm gonna to go and install this for you. Okay guys, so this is the tape. Just remove the special, do you see, it's special on the back tape, and you just stick to your TV. This is very easy process. I need to look like that. You need to put all this tape around your TV, and this we're gonna connect to USB, right? And here we have the port USB when we're gonna connect to here. Okay, so this is with the whole remote. The remote have also a sticker you can connect to your TV, and well done. So I'm done the first process, which is install the tape. It's not very big deal, okay? What you just need to do is you need to, this is the like tape. Yeah, you need to remove this and stick to your TV the whole tape of the LED, and that's it. This is what I actually did. Also, you have on the back for every corner special plastic to protect your back. These little small things with tape, it's for corners. The corners don't have light here, so the producer want us that we put here just like that. I can screw it as well, but of course not in very slim TV. There is tape very strong, so it's okay, and that will protect the corners in a way, so in the future will be no problems that the tape will go out. Yeah, just to protect this corner, and of course another corner is protected as well, so the tape is under control. The installation takes me like 5 minutes. Once I remove the tape, I stick to my TV around. I put the little small plastic for the corners. I connect the USB port to my TV, and it's done. Now what I'm gonna to do it, I wanted to show you, and we're gonna to test it that is working or not. So let's check how it works, and this is working really or not. Okay guys, okay, so this is how it look like without any lights. I will remote by using my phone, so I open now the light. It's called scene. Now I'm going to open the red, orange, yellow, blue. The blue I think so look so good. You have also purple. We have red color and blue as well with contrast. We can set up contrast for every color, warm or cold. You can have control on just one app, which is easy to install. You just searching for Govee, because of course this is Govee LED lights. Very easy to install, and once you download the app, you have completely control on it. You have in the app many functions like choose the colors, scenes, or even mode like music. When the music will be played, the colors and the beat will follow the lights, and the effects will be like on the party. I love it, and this is what I showing to you on this video. I love it, and this is what I showing on the video. When the music started playing, you saw it how the lights follow the beat of the song. Wow, wow, wow. And this you can just do for few pounds. That's the good news for us. I think so. For very easy installation, for very easy find the app for your mobile devices, no matter it's Android or no, or it's just iOS, you will search it very easy. You can just download the app connected Bluetooth wise, you open your TV. So what you need to just do it, you just open your TV and automatically you are searching to connect with your mobile. And once you connected with your mobile, what you need to do, you can just control it, your backlight TV from Govee. I recommend you this, and this definitely for good price, very low price, for easy installation, and what more, for definitely many functions like they given to us as well, remote control if you or your family members don't have the app, don't want to download and want to just use it in manual ways. This remote control is the solution. I'm gonna give you 5 stars, and then link you will find in the description. If you want to buy for your TV, definitely go and buy the same set. You will be satisfied very once again. I'm gonna repeat it, easy to install, okay? It's like you're gonna stick your tape on back on your TV and connect USB. Here is very important, you need to have USB on back on your TV. If there you will find that port, so don't be worried, we'll be working 100% with your TV. And of course we need to remember that when we install the backlit lights, it's not that we must use it all the time. You can turn off and turn on wherever you like, wherever you want. So for example, if it's day, you can turn off and you don't need to use it when it's gonna be dark in your room and you wanna watch some movies. This is the moment when you can turn it on and you can just switch the colors, or it's very good idea that the light will automatically change the colors once you're watching some movies. So definitely in the app you will find that function. We're done for today. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to look on the description, there you will find the link to the product. You can order straight away. If you like this video, if you like me and you wanted to see more specific products and reviews before you buy, so definitely you should click subscribe now. If you did, thank you very much. This is our last video, so I'm gonna to wish you everything good and more luck in new year for all my subscribers and as well for this channel. Thank you very much and see you in next year in new videos. More and more reviews, we're gonna do it. Cheers.